Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a short video where I'm going to tell you guys a dupe for the cult favorite product, the M.A.C Fix Plus. And actually this dupe performs better than the M.A.C Fix Plus, so that's what this video is going to be about. But before we start the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, definitely do subscribe, and if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely do follow me there. And with that being said, we're now going to get started with the video. So the dupe for the M.A.C Fix Plus is the NYX Matte Setting Spray. Now I know they have a dewy version of this and they have a matte version of this. I suggest that you get the matte version because this is the one that works like the Fix Plus. Unfortunately, I don't have the Fix Plus on hand because I haven't used it for a really long time now. But I do know that this performs really similar to that. So get the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So the M.A.C Fix Plus is $28 in the United States and it is £22 in the UK. I don't know how much this is in Pakistani rupees because I have not ordered it, but that's 100 ml of M.A.C Fix Plus, and then 30 ml of the NYX Matte Setting Spray you get for about 1600 rupees Pakistani, and then I think you can get it for about $9 in the States. And then I will mention the prices in UK and Indian rupees right here so you guys can check it out. So the NYX Matte Setting Spray is definitely a dupe for the M.A.C Fix Plus. It is, in my opinion, better than the M.A.C Fix Plus because the M.A.C Fix Plus, it takes away the powderiness and it helps everything blend in together. But the NYX Matte Setting Spray actually does both of these things, and this makes your makeup last longer. Now the M.A.C Fix Plus, as you guys probably know, is not really a setting spray. They say it's a setting spray, but it actually just helps your makeup, blend in nicely, and it takes away the powderiness on your face. Now I don't really have the M.A.C Fix Plus on hand, so I cannot show you guys a comparison, but I do 100% believe that this is a dupe for the M.A.C Fix Plus. And so to show you guys how the NYX Matte Setting Spray performs, what I have done is I have made my makeup super cakey today and powdery, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to spray this on, and I'm going to show you guys how you can take away the powderiness of your base with the NYX Matte Setting Spray, which is what the M.A.C Fix Plus does. So you're gonna want to take it like this, just spray it. Make sure you're not holding it too close because then what happens is is that little teeny tiny droplets form and they kind of like are visible on your foundation. So now I'm going to take a damp sponge and I'm just going to push the product into the skin. Now I really wish I had the M.A.C Fix Plus. I had the M.A.C Fix Plus to show you guys a side-by-side comparison, but trust me you guys, this is 100% a dupe for the M.A.C Fix Plus. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. I know this was a super short video, but hopefully this was informative and this provided you guys some value. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you guys did like this video, definitely do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.